The parliamentary opposition is raising alarm this evening over reports of U.S. military strikes in Caribbean waters that have left dozens dead, including 2 nationals from Trinidad and Tobago. Rashida Walker reports.
Dozens are said to have been killed in drone strikes against vessels operating in Caribbean waters. Among them, 2 Trinidadians, while 2 others of undisclosed nationality are reportedly being detained by the U.S. Army. Shadow Minister for Foreign, Regional and Diaspora Affairs, Senator Donald Scott Motley, says the actions threatens the sovereignty and security of Caribbean nations.
The Caribbean community's vision of this region as a zone of peace is under threat. Our people are entitled to pursue their livelihoods free from the shadow of militarization. These waters sustain life and commerce. They are not to be transformed into a theater of war.
The opposition senator reiterated that CARICOM's tradition of diplomacy and non-alignment remains one of the region's greatest strengths. She is now urging Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, in his capacity as CARICOM chairman, to convene urgent consultations among member states to craft a united response.
The Caribbean cannot afford to normalize extrajudicial actions in its waters. We must stand together to ensure that the principles of peace, sovereignty, and international law guide our future.
Senator Scott Motley warns that failing to respond decisively could erode the region's independence and set a dangerous precedent for foreign intervention in its water. It remains to be seen how CARICOM leaders will react to the call for a unified stance. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.
And it's time for a break, but stay with us. More local news when we return.